Just be careful about those things. Some clients pa pala, they redact yung mga financial documents. IRCC refuses those. I already have one client na nag-redact. So, sponsor. Tapos parang nasa US Marine or US Navy yung sponsor. Niredact yung account number, niredact yung balance, niredact yung name. Sabi ko, hindi to tatanggapin ng IRCC because anong check nila dyan? Redacted yung file, right? Pinasign ko sila. Sabi ko, okay, I'll have you sign a document saying that you are submitting a redacted file and you wanted me to submit a redacted file to IRCC. True enough, it was refused. Because how can you check something? IRCC won't be able to check something that is redacted. Just be careful about those things. You cannot submit a redacted file to IRCC. IRCC maintains high confidentiality, so you are rest assured na hindi nila ililik kung ano mang information ang i-submit ninyo sa kanila. Ganun din ako, of course.